Hello, my name is Dmitro. I'm VP Consulting for Integros, and today we are going to discuss how to enable WhatsApp notifications in SugarBPM. If you're a company that not only got acquainted with but also actively utilizes the WhatsApp business account and has implemented the company's process automation with the SugarBPM tool, then you might be asking yourself how to send WhatsApp messages to your customers, to your leads, teammates within workflow automation. Our suggestion is to set up WhatsApp notifications in SugarBPM using the custom action item. Configuring is very simple and takes just a few clicks. First, use your Meta account to fill out WhatsApp business account, phone number ID, and also an API token. Then provide the WhatsApp templates name. It could be any of one from approved templates managed and Meta WhatsApp Manager. If you go to your WhatsApp Manager, to the Manage Templates, you see the list of the templates. For example, I have here Candidate Create News. So I put that value into the template name. Then provide the phone number to send the WhatsApp message to, or set up in Sugar CRM to select the phone number from the, for example, contacts record when Sugar merges the template for sending to the WhatsApp, like I did it here. Then provide the comma-separated values for filling out the WhatsApp template variables by typing directly or request Sugar to retrieve values from the record fields when the template is merged with data for sending. And if necessary, set up a flag for logging the WhatsApp messaging into the regular Sugar log. Now, when the process definition is ready for use, the system will send the WhatsApp message according to the process flow, and the addressee will receive the message from your WhatsApp business account. This is how solution works. For a dozen years, we configured numerous solutions on the Sugar CRM platform, helping many B2B and B2C companies from different parts of the world reach their CRM goals. The knowledge and expertise we've gained allow us to suggest efficient solutions based on Sugar CRM platform. If you'd like to employ the WhatsApp notification action in your Sugar BPM, please scan the QR code to contact Integros or write us an email. Thanks for watching.